Hello, today I will disclose an easy way to improve your scores in the speaking module of the PTE Academic test. In 4 of the 5 item types in PTE Speaking, that is read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image and retell lecture, more than half of the total points come from pronunciation and oral fluency. In order to get good scores, you need to speak fluently and clearly. By this we mean that the regular speakers of the language can easily understand all vowels and consonants spoken. The speaker knows where to stress. No non-native phonological simplifications, no repetitions. At Simply Studies, our students learn the fine difference between similar words. Our linguistic trainers are experts in identifying the exact problems faced by the individual. They work diligently to make your speech closer to that of a native speaker. Check if you're eligible for our PTE Desired Score program.